Hello, my dear students. Now, the very critical condition is going on. Due to coronavirus, everywhere the lockdown is going on, and that is why the normal classes is not possible in presence of you, and that's why we have arranged the online class. Today, I shall discuss the topic tissue, and especially the meristematic tissue, because tissue chapter is very vast chapter and this chapter totally cannot discuss here. Only the meristematic tissue I shall discuss. So before starting the discussion, you should know what is tissue. Tissue is the group of cells, similar types of cells originated from the same position and are engaged in same principal function, that is called tissue. It is written here, you see, cells of similar structure origin are collectively called a tissue. Principal functions and perform same principal functions are collectively called tissue. Tissue, we are discussing the plant tissue especially. The plant tissue divided into meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue has three parts: lateral meristem, apical meristem, lateral meristem, and intercalary meristem. And permanent tissue, simple, permanent and complex. So that I shall not discuss today. Only the meristematic tissue, apical meristem, lateral meristem, and intercalary meristem. Here is the diagram. You see the apical meristem. It is at the apex. That is called. This is called apical meristem. Okay. This is apical meristem. Apical meristem here, and the lateral meristem. You see the cambium of the vascular bundle. It is present here, cambium of the vascular bundle, and intercalary meristem in between two nodes. That means in the internodes it is present. Now I shall discuss the characteristics of the meristematic tissue. The characteristics of meristematic tissue, you see, one diagram is given here. I have already drawn. The cells are compact, no intercellular space. Okay, nucleus is there and active cytoplasm is distinct. Nucleus is there and active cytoplasm is there. Here I have written, they have the power of cell. Meristematic tissue that has the power of cell division. Other types of tissue arise from the meristematic tissue. So meristematic tissue is dividing, and afterwards this meristematic tissue is coming to the permanent tissue after when the division is completed. Now next point is no intercellular space. It is written here, and found in the growing region. All time the meristematic tissue is found in the growing region. Distinct nucleus and active cytoplasm is there, and cell walls are thin and uniform. So these are the characteristics also written here. Now I am telling tissue. I have already told, but I have not told the tissue has come from the cell. What is cell? I have not told. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life, and this cell has come from the molecules, the group of molecules. That molecules has come from the atoms, group of atoms. So say atom, then cell, then tissue. So afterwards, I am going to the functions of the apical meristem, lateral meristem, and intercalary meristem. Now I shall discuss the functions of the meristematic tissue. But before discussion the function, which I have already told, that is written here. You see, apical meristem. It is found at the apical buds and root tips. Apical buds and root tips, that is growing region. It was not written that time. Lateral meristem, you see, located at the cambium of the vascular bundle and intercalary present at the internodes. Now I am starting the functions of the apical meristem. Apical meristem, I have already told that it is at the apex. So it is responsible for the growth of the length. You see, apical meristem brings about the elongation of roots and stems. So it helps to increase the length, which is called the primary growth. Lateral meristem helps to increase the diameter, which is called secondary growth. So, the apical meristem, it is growing in the length, and lateral meristem, the plant is growing in the diameter. The big plant or the mango tree, jackfruit tree, the diameter is growing again, growing. That is called for the growth of lateral meristem. Intercalary meristem helps to increase the longitudinal growth of the stem occurs in the internodes. So one thing I should say you that the growth of the plant is until death. Until death, the apical meristem is growing, and after when the growth is completed, that time it turns into the permanent tissue. But you mind it that the growth of the plant is until death, but the animals grow up to a certain age. Now, this is the end of the, now I shall give you some questions, but in this critical condition, you stay at home and also obviously do the meditation and help your parents.